Okay, if you remember yesterday, we were using and drawing our tic-tac-toe board onto paper. Today we need to transfer that over and actually put it onto our board. Now, to start, we're still going to use our rulers the same way, but yesterday, of course, I had you draw these lines outside, which are called the object lines. Well, on our block, we don't need those object lines because they're already there, so we see those. But we do need all of the internal object lines there that we're going to draw. So as we put this here, if you remember, we started out, once we drew our 5.5 by 5.5 square, we came in and we made some lines all the way around the board at a 1/2 inch in. So I'm going to come in here. We're going to do the same thing, but now today we're just doing this right here on our board. So I got my 2 points. Again, 2 points make a line. Line this up, and I'm going to go again. Now I'm going to start here at the 1/2 inch, and I'm going to go all the way over to 5 inches. 1/2 inch to 5 inches. Remember, we don't want to touch those, don't cross, so we're staying a 1/2 inch away and doing some simple math. We are starting at the 1/2 inch over here, and of course 5.5 minus a 1/2 inch is 5, so we'll come to that point. Do the same thing on this side. We'll mark 2 points, 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. Come right on back, turn your ruler at 90 degrees again, get it lined up on there, and right back over, starting at 1/2 inch, going to 5 inches. Going through, now we're over here on this side, our third side, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. Move our ruler back down, go 1/2 inch all the way over to 5 inches, and now we are on our last side here. So 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, that's our 2 points. Rotate back at 90 degrees. Line our ruler up, and now we can connect that. So we've got our 4 sides there as we go through. Now we also will need to have our center, and if you remember yesterday, these center lines, we divided that 4.5 in 3. And we found out using fractions that 4.5 divided by 3 is 1.5. So I'm going to go 1.5 and 3. 1.5 and 3. I've got my 2 points. Now I can draw my vertical lines. Draw my vertical lines. There we go. That's good. Now I could go ahead and do off of here my horizontal lines. 1.5 and 3. Remember, I'm lining the end of my ruler up to that 1/2 inch line. 1.5 and 3. If I wanted to come up from this edge and put it over here, I'd have to mark at 2 and 3.5, because again, 1.5 plus 1/2 would be 2. So it depends. You can do it either way. You can line it up from the edge. Just remember to add that 1/2 inch into your 1.5 inch. Or you can go right off of the line you drew before. Either way will get you and solve your problem. Okay, line it up, draw across, and my horizontal lines now drawn across, and I have laid out those 9 squares on the center of my board. So remember, we're not done yet. Our next step here is to find those center holes so that we can drill our holes into our board on the drill press. So again, we're marking the diagonals. So we're coming in here and marking the diagonals. Now you'll see here on this board, I'm a little bit off. That's okay. We'll be alright, but something was a little bit wrong in my measurement, so I just double checking. I'm still a 1/2 inch. Maybe the board's out of square or not perfectly cut, so sometimes that happens on our boards, and that's alright. We're still going to be pretty close for our tic-tac-toe board. Just do your best, do the best that you can on it. We're going to go through here, drawing all these diagonal lines, and diagonal lines, one corner to one corner. Got them all that way, so now we need to transfer and go this direction. Switch the directions a little bit. And up here. Alright. Now we have all those on there. Now, I know we got a whole lot, but you got to remember now where we're going to drill the hole, because we've got a whole bunch of different intersecting lines. So this is a good time to go back and think, hey, where am I going to drill that hole at? And remember, you're in the center of each of the 9 squares. So real quick, just go back over and make your crosshair bars in each of the centers of those 9 squares. That way you'll know for sure these are where you want to drill your holes at, not in the other. And there we've finished up our layout for our tic-tac-toe board. We're ready to go ahead and start drilling our holes, and then of course we will also cut these grooves, and later on we'll route out the edges to make it look a little bit more decorative. So that's what we needed to do today and get done. We're good. We are ready for the next step, which is to drill our holes.